Rose Kennedy's quotation is very apt at this point of time. And she says, "It has been said, time heals all wounds." I do not agree. The wounds remain. In time, the mind, protecting its sanity, covers them with scar tissues and the pain becomes less. But it is never gone. When I read this particular quotation, I was reminded of another very powerful saying from Advaitic monk. And he said, if you take a beautiful statue, a wooden statue, and inflict a gash or a wound on that particular statue, and call upon the best person who can do a rectification of the scar through a very creative means, he can only do an external covering. The inner wound remains. So also, whenever we have any transaction in this world, either in thought, word, or deed, beware, because the wounds that we inflict on others and wounds that others inflict on us could have a very damaging effect on a long term. This is why that particular monk concludes saying that the karmic imprints always remains with you. You cannot erase that one. So if you want to be a pure person, you must continuously make an attempt to ensure that the wounds are all healed even before they come out from your mouth, from your thought, from your action. So this is what I wanted to share with you in this particular video, and have a great life.